Greetings, folks. It's Sarah. Today I am featured on beautiful Lake Pend Oreille in Sandpoint, Idaho, and I brought out 12 of my favorite cook stoves for you guys. And featured next to me is the Heco 520, which made my top 12 list, and I want to give you my 5 top reasons why I love the Heco cook stove. So number 1 is going to be the versatility of this stove. So the Heco cook stoves have a variety of options. You can add on a rear water reservoir tank, which wouldn't plumb into anything. You can add a coil into the firebox, which would allow you to plumb directly into your domestic hot water for showers and to wash your dishes. And you can add a top warming oven as well. Number 2, I love that it has the versatility to burn both wood and coal. If you're located on the East Coast, you may have access to very affordable coal. Coal can be a great way to heat your house. It burns a long time and it burns hot, and again is super affordable. Number 3, I love that it has a nice big baking oven on it. If you like to bake, the Heco is definitely an excellent option for you guys. Number 4, I do love that it is built by the Amish in the United States. These days we have very, very few products that are available being manufactured in the United States, and most of the ones that are going to be produced by the Amish. So American made is going to be excellent. Number 5 is the company themselves. They really do an excellent job standing behind their products, and we've been selling the Heco products, and they also have the DS product line where they sell furnaces and boilers and a variety of other heating products. And we've had excellent success with the line, the product withstanding the test of time, and how the company handles their products as well. If you guys like these videos, please don't forget to give us that thumbs up. Click the subscribe button in the corner of the channel. Thanks so much for watching. God bless. Have a wonderful day.